Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. Today we are discussing how to prepare stories for the mobile app in SAP Analytics Cloud. In this video, we will discuss how to manage our stories in different type of devices like tablet, like iOS phone, or like different type of mobile phones. So let's begin. So let's go straight to our stories and create any story. Click on the stories button and then click on the responsive. Here it is. Now we have to select the optimize design experience option. Click on the create button. Adjust the view to 100% so then you can view very clearly. Now we just have to create a story, so then we will adjust that story into our mobile device. So I select here a chart, drag and drop, just like create any story. We have to import our model. So I just select my model, which I just select purchase model. Here it is. Now I have to select the account. For this I select PO count, and then for the dimension I will select the purchasing type, purchasing group. Here it is. Now our first chart, our chart has been ready. Let's increase its size. Here it is. Now uh, again we just have to create a pie chart, so then we will manage our both object in our mobile device or any other device. So I just copy the said one and then create a duplicate one, so then we'll manage easily and we create our story very rapidly. So I just change its to the pie chart. Here it is. Now I have let's close it first. Now I have inserted my two objects. One is a pie chart and one is a bar chart. So let's adjust it on our mobile device. So now you can show the device bar by using this option. If you don't have seeing the button and the option which are lying at this space device, if you are not seeing this, just go to this option and then click on the device preview bar. Uh, if you again press it, the SAC will show the device viewer. So for this, you can change and the type of device by using this option. By default, it's adjust to the auto, and then the second thing is desktop. The third option is laptop. The 4K UHD for presentation and for projector, and the next option is iOS for our Apple phone or Apple devices, and the last but not least the Android phones. In this Android phones we have three type option present here. One is generic phone 480 853 px, but second is generic tablet 1024, and the third one is large tablet. So if we have to adjust our story, create our story for the generic phone, for the normal Android phone, we have to select the first option. And if we have to select or create our story or set our story for the generic tablet, for the normal tablet mode, for the normal tablet device, and for the large tablet device, we will use the both option. So I select the first one here. Here it is. Now click on the don't show this message. Here it is. Now our chart, our board chart is being adjusted for our device, normal Android device. Create. We can also adjust its sizes and according to our requirement, according to our space. We can also add more object like button by using the drag and drop option. Here it is. Now our button has been added. We can also rename it or add functionality, skip functionality, or using the on click event for performing the dynamic filtering and so on. We can also change the styling of this chart. Like, let's I select the chart and go to the styling option of this chart. I just select the another thing. Here it is. Now you can notice the style of our chart has been changed. We can also change it according to our needs. Let's close the option, styling option. So we can also hide the pages only for mobile devices. So let's create another page so then we can explore the hidden option for the mobile devices. So I just copied the both of the chart, and now I create another canvas page, add responsive page. You must consider that the type of the page should be responsive. I just select the add responsive page option, and now here I paste the copied chart. Here it is. Now our chart has been copied. So let's change uh, the heading of our chart. So then we can identify the page numbers. Page 2, and here I just change the the label to page 1. Now go to the page 2 and go to the styling. Let's change its style so then we can add easily identified thing. Here it is. Now our both page has been ready. Let's first save our story. Let's give the particular name of our story SAC mobile 1. Click on the save button. Here it is. Now our story has been saved. Let's go to the option on page set as hidden and the hide on mobile. There are two options present here. Set as hidden, it will be hide the page for all the options, either it is desktop, either it is mobile. But the option which is hide on mobile, this will hide this page for the mobile devices. So let's I click on the this option. Now our page 2 has been hidden for the mobile devices. Here it is. Now please note that some features of SAC are not allowed on mobile. Uh, some features are not available on mobile, such as a smart insight, chart footers, and value driver trees. So please be noted that these features are not allowed on mobile devices. So hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button. Also, let's meet into another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.